What's happening, everybody? This is Blaze teaching you another song on the guitar. If you like what you see, then please subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you can see more videos on how to play your favorite country songs on the guitar. So this one that I wanted to teach you is, it's one of my favorites actually right now, and a lot of my family loves it too. This is Morgan Wallen's cover of Jason Isbell's Cover Me Up. So this is a super simple song. So it's just standard tuning, and there's only 4 chords throughout the song, and you use 2 of them almost the entire time. So to start, you start with a D chord. So I don't know if you can see that, but so D is, you're going to put your middle finger, sorry to flip you off a little bit, but your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the little E string, okay, and then you'll put your pointer finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, and then you will put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, so that's a D chord. So you play it like that, and you can mute the top with the top string, the E string, with your thumb. You don't have to, but you can. So if you do, it'll be. It's a super easy song to strum to. It's dun 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 dun. So then you go dun 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 dun, up down up down, and then you go to G. So G, you put your pinky, all right, on the little E string, and then you're going to leave your ring finger where it is. Then you're going to put these 2 fingers, okay? So you're going to put your middle finger on the big E string at the top on the 3rd fret, and then you'll put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, all right? And then, like I said, you leave your ring finger where it was, so you go, all right? So that's G, okay? So that's the G. We will also use a B chord, so I'll just show you that real quick. You don't use it here, but I'll show you that. So a B chord, you can play it, the way to actually play it is you're going to put, so these 3 fingers, okay, you are going to put your pinky on the 4th fret on the B string, your ring finger right next to it, so also on the 4th fret, all right, and you're going to put, so you're going to put that one on the G string, and you will put your middle finger on the D string on the 4th fret, all right? Then you will put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, so it's going to be like that, on the A string, all right? So that's how it sounds. You can, there's one simple trick with the guitar, is that you can push against like the E string with this finger, like, so you can mute other strings with those, with your fingers. So does that make sense? So, and then the other one that you'll use in this song is going to be the E minor. So you'll use these 2 fingers, and I'm sorry that looks like I'm flipping you off again, but you almost. But you use those 2 fingers, or you can use these 2, and you will put. So I put my middle finger on the A string in the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger on the D string in the 2nd fret. Okay, and then everything else is just open. So that's how it sounds, okay? So this song is almost entirely D, 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 then you go G, 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 D. Okay, so that's a heart on a run, keeps a hand on a gun, can't trust anyone. Alright, so you see how it's like super easy, and there's a couple ways to play it. He actually plays it like down, 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 then he goes up, down, up. So you can basically do that, or you could almost play the whole thing just by going down the whole time if you're like a super beginner, alright? And then I, especially when I'm switching from chords, I like to go, okay, so you like kind of do like in between. Alright, so you don't have to, but you can. That's like a little filler trick that a lot of guitarists do. Alright, so then one other thing you can do with the B chord, I forgot to mention, is you can actually just play it like a power chord. So you don't have to use all 3 of these fingers. You can leave out your middle finger and just use those 2, alright, your pinky and your ring, and then this one. So you can play, because I'm going to show you this part next, but you can play, so you'll still put this one on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then you'll put your ring finger on the D string in the 4th fret, and your pinky finger will go on the 4th fret on the G string. So then you would just play it like that. Okay, so it's really similar. If it's easier for you to play, you can do that. So so then it goes, let's see, it goes D, G, D. Okay, it keeps going back, and that's pretty much all you play for the verses, except for there is a part where he goes, the days when we raged. So that's when he goes to B. Okay, raged, we flew off the page. So that's G. All right, rage, such damage was done. All right, that's D. He goes, but I made it through. Somebody knew, G, I was meant for someone. And then he does it for most of the chorus too. So girl, leave your boots by the bed. We ain't leaving this room. Someone needs medical help or the magnolia bloom. See how little they're switching to do? So then it goes to E minor. It carries this house on its stones. So then it goes to G, okay? Stones like a piece of driftwood. I'm just playing it like a power chord, so I'm not using that middle finger. But you can use it if you want to do an actual B. The home was a dream. So then he goes to D. One that I'd never seen. To G, till you came along. Alright, you see what I'm saying? So I might have messed up the lyrics there, but that's how he plays it. So it's D and then G almost the whole time, and then back to D. In the verse, he'll play the B, okay, and then G, then D. Then in the chorus, he plays D, G, and then back to D. All right. So once he makes it through, then when he finally switches, he goes to B. Oops, sorry, no, that's not correct. He goes to E minor. So he goes E minor, carries this house, and then he goes to G, on its stones like a piece, and then he goes to that's when he goes to B, driftwood. Okay. And then it goes to D. Was a dream. Alright, so you go to, and I got the lyrics messed up there, but so that's how it goes then to D. Alright. G. So there's no bridge in the song. There's a little part where there's like kind of a soft solo, but it's just D and G. That's all it is. It's just like the verses. So no need to worry about that. So yeah, so that's how you play it. Super easy song. It's super sweet if you like it. Definitely learn it. It's an amazing song. It's really fun to play, even though it's super easy. Yeah, I love it. I love Morgan Wallen. It's just awesome. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them as a comment below. If you want me to do any other songs in particular, also leave them as comments. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you check the icon to get alerts when I come out with new videos. Thanks.